this box. This box from Harley. It's the C spanner. Oh God! Right, I see.
It's actually a C spanner and kind of other tools as well.
And they charged you how much for this?
£5 something.
Yeah, I need a rubber handle on this, don't you?
Yes, I was just about to say, if you're going to use the C spanner on that, whatever you do, make sure that you've got a cloth or something handy. Otherwise, you'll rip your hands apart.
Quite luckily, the heat shrink we used to do that. Yeah, you could heat shrink it if you wanted to.
Yes, but then you'd lose all the all the spanner
You're
bits.
not going to use them, are they?
No, probably not.
Right, but okay, we'll see spanner my bike. We'll just keep the camera rolling. Try not to break your neck. Because mine's awfully soft.
You will definitely need a cloth because you'll tear your hands apart.
Yes, let me see how it sits. Oh, it's very shallow, isn't it?
Yep.
Right, yep. You can stay.
I'm going to use that.
Okay. This is rather sore. Am I going to go the right way?
Yeah, you want to turn it, well, kind of towards you.
Alright, okay, that's fair.
That's one click.
One click. What should we go? 2?
I went 2 so that it was central.
Right, okay. Good idea that.
Okay, that's 2 notches.
2 notches on that side.
We're going to do the same over here.
Oh God, it's tight in here, isn't it? Let's scratch the exhaust.
Oddly enough, doing that side when I did mine, it was actually easier.
I think.
Oh, you're making a bit of a meal of that.
You do realise I do the editing, don't you? I can say what I like, and there will be no reply. Why can't I get on that one? I'm too worried about hitting the exhaust here. Seems you've done yours. Let me swap over.
Okay. This might be a Harley C spanner, but it really doesn't fit that brilliantly. Slides off easily.
You were saying?
Yeah, alright, I'll take it back. Okay. Ow!
No, you're underneath it. The hooks are tiny.
Funny thing is that when I did mine, this side actually proved to be a lot easier.
Try and get a look in at the cannulations. You can see under there. And they really are quite shallow ones. They really are quite spindly little shocks on this.
Ow! Oh dear. I'm turning this the right way, aren't I?
Well, you can only turn it one way.
Oh, great. It's alright, I was turning it the wrong way. I think I'm on it.
Go on.
Okay.
Yeah, go. This side is so much more difficult than the other side. I don't think that dropped
No,
back.
it didn't.
You're too low.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get the top edge. Ah, okay, got it. There. That is really weird.
Keep dropping the back end of the spanner lower than the piece you'll want to lever.
Just trying to find. I'm trying to get the head in place first. That's it. Okay, that's one.
I did the easy one.
Oh goodness, this is a nightmare. I don't understand why this one is so difficult to do. Okay. Oh. There we go.
There we go. The trouble
That's
is,
two.
it don't take much to push them. You can bruise your knuckles, but the spanner's a piece of cheap crap, and the head's on the shocks where you actually put the spanner in. It's really shallow, isn't it?
Yeah, very shallow.
So if we would have bought an expensive one, it wouldn't have worked because the header would have been too big to fit in the slots.
Yeah.
But there you go. We got some other stuff coming in from the States, haven't we?
Ah, yes, we've got the K&N filters.
Yeah. So what we'll do is they're not down here.
No, they're
No.
still
All right.
upstairs.
Right. We'll switch the camera off. Go upstairs. And yeah. Oh, I got the things, by the way. The Allen bolts.
The Allen bolts.
Yeah, on the floor. It's the big
Oh,
piss off Allen bolts.
okay.
Button heads, so we might have to grind those down on the grinder,
Yeah.
which should be a giggle. But all right, we'll switch it off. We'll go and check out the K&N filter.